Before we begin the chapter, let us revise the basic constructions that we have studied. Number 1. How to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Let's look at an example. Draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB of length 4 cm. Let's begin with the construction. Draw a line segment AB of length 4 cm. Open the compass to a span greater than half the length of segment AB. Taking A as the center, draw an arc on each side of segment AB. Now, keeping the same span and taking B as the center, draw an arc on each side of segment AB to intersect the arcs drawn before. Name the points of intersection as P and Q. Now, draw line PQ. Thus, segment AB is the perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. Number 2. How to construct an angle PQR of any measure and bisect it. Example. Draw an angle PQR of any measure. Draw the bisector of angle PQR. Let's look at the construction. Draw an angle PQR of any measure. Place the point of the compass on point Q. Taking a suitable span, draw an arc intersecting the ray QP and ray QR at the points A and B respectively. Now, with the same span, draw arcs first with center A and then another with center B to intersect the first arc. Let the point of intersection be S. Draw ray QS. Thus, ray QS is the bisector of the angle PQR. Number 3. How to construct a line perpendicular to a given line at any point on the line. Let's take a look at an example. Draw line PQ. Take a point R anywhere on the line. Draw a line through point R perpendicular to line PQ. Now, let's look at the construction. Draw line PQ and take point R anywhere on line PQ. Open the compass to a convenient span. Place the point of the compass on the point R and draw two arcs, one on each side of the point R, to intersect line PQ at points S and T respectively. Open the compass span to a little more than half of distance between points S and T. Place the point of the compass first on point S and then on T and draw two arcs on both the sides of the line PQ intersecting each other. Name the points of intersection as U and V. Draw line UV. Thus, we have line UV perpendicular to line PQ. Number 4. How to construct a line perpendicular to a given line from the point not lying on the line. Example. Draw a perpendicular to line PQ through a point S outside the line. Now let's look at the construction. Draw a line PQ. Take a point S anywhere outside the line. Adjust the compass to a convenient span. Place the point of the compass on S and draw two arcs cutting PQ at points A and B. Using the same span and placing the point of the compass first on A and then on B, draw two arcs which intersect each other on the side of line PQ opposite to point S. Name the point of intersection as R. Draw a line SR passing through points S and R. Thus, we have line SR perpendicular to line PQ. Number 5. How will you construct the angle congruent to a given angle? Let's look at an example. Draw angle PQR of the same measure as angle ABC. Look at angle ABC in the figure measuring 50 degrees. Let's draw angle PQR of the same measure with the help of compass. Draw ray QR. Open the compass to a convenient span. Place the point of the compass on point B of angle ABC and draw an arc to intersect ray BA and ray BC at points D and E respectively. Keeping the same span, place the point of the compass on point Q and draw an arc. Let it intersect the ray QR at point T. Now, place the point of the compass on the point E and adjust the span so that the tip of the pencil falls on point D. Place the point of the compass on point T and draw an arc to intersect the arc drawn before. Name the point of intersection S. Draw ray QS. Take any point P on this ray. Angle PQR is equal in measure to the given angle ABC. Number 6. How to construct the line parallel to a given line through a point outside it. First, draw a line M. Let P be the point outside line M. Keep the point of compass on point P. Taking a certain measure, draw two arcs on line M as shown. Measure more than half the distance between the two arcs and draw two intersecting arcs below the line M. Then, draw a line passing through point P and the intersecting arcs. Now keep a point of compass on point P. Draw two arcs above and below the point P on the line as shown. Take more than half the measure of these arcs and draw two intersecting arcs on both the sides of the point P. Now draw a line passing through point P and these intersecting arcs. This will be the line L parallel to the given line M. Number 7. How to construct the line parallel passing through the given point. First, draw a line M. Let P be the point outside line M. Now draw a line passing through point P and line M. Mark the point of intersection on line M as Q. Now measure the distance between the points Q and P and keeping the point of compass on point Q, cut an arc on left side. Mark the point of intersection of arc and line M as R. Keeping the point of compass on point P, cut an arc on right side of the line QP. Now measure the distance between points P and R. Now keep the point of compass on point Q and cut an arc on the previous arc. Mark the point of intersection of both the arcs as S. Draw a line passing through the points P and S. Thus, we get line L parallel to line M. Now let's see how to divide a line segment in a given ratio. Let's look at an example. Divide segment PQ in the ratio 3:2. Let's look at the steps of construction. Draw segment PQ. Now, draw any ray PX making an acute angle with ray PQ. Locate the 5 points P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 on PX such that PP1 is equal to P1 P2 is equal to P2 P3 is equal to P3 P4 is equal to P4 P5. Join QP5. Now, through the point P3, draw a line parallel to QP5. Since P3R is parallel to QP5 by basic proportionality theorem, PP3 upon P3P5 is equal to PR upon RQ. Therefore, PP3 upon P3P5 is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, PR upon RQ is equal to 3 upon 2. This shows that R divides PQ in the ratio 3:2. Note, we can take the ray PX in the upper plane also. To divide line segment in the ratio M and N, we have to take point P M plus N.